Everyone, so today we are at Sangeeta Sari Center and we can see there are many things available. What a nice saris and different things available. So who like to buy? Girls, you want to buy? Please come on. Say which one would you like to buy? This one or this one? The black one you like. But when it is very costly, would you like to buy? It is the cost of this cloth is 50,000 rupees. You look so rich girl then. You will buy it? Should I pack? Should I pack ma'am? Sure? Ready to lock किया जाए?
Lock किया जाए.
Also congratulations ma'am that you have got this one and I have a gift for you. I have one gift for you that is earphone, 200 rupees earphone you will get free from this shop. Yeah, with 50,000 rupees you will get earphone free. And please recommend your friends if they want to buy. You can see what are nice things are available now. Different plus things available.
Oh.
Do you want to see something more?
No, sir.
One is enough?
Yes.
Okay. Well, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? Okay, so it was wonderful. Thank you, uncle. Thank you.